Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's get into this beautiful, cool tone, gray, smoky eye that I did on TikTok Live. It came out super beautiful and pretty. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I know it's been a minute since I upload, but here I am, girl. So get ready for some consistent content here on our channel. If you're brand new, I am Kai, the makeup educator. Let's get into the education. So first off, ladies, I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I always start with my eyebrows first. First, I draw in my eyebrow, then I fill in my eyebrow, and then you're going to see me concealing my eyebrow, okay? Now, your makeup routine is going to be super important because the order in which you do your makeup and the order in which you get used to doing your makeup, this will help you go faster, okay? And help you to not be frustrated. Whatever works for you, works. For me, doing my eyebrows first and my eyeshadow first works. So now we're getting into concealing the brow. On the bottom, I use a concealer that's lighter than my skin. On the top, I use one that's closer to my skin tone. I also like to use my concealer as my eyeshadow base, okay? Next, we're going to go into the Thorn Shade eyeshadow palette, and we're going to pick up the shade number 27, okay? It's a dark brown eyeshadow palette. I'm sorry, it's a dark brown eyeshadow. We're going to take that, we're going to pack it into the crease in a moon shape. Then I'm just going to take this small blending brush. I didn't add any shadow on it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend out the line where the shadow ends, right at the top. Okay, and what's going to happen is it's going to diffuse that line and cause it to look like a whole nother color. All right. If you're wondering, that's the color I use right there out of my Thorn Shade palette from my brand. All right, next we're going to go ahead and start adding the smoke. So now I'm going to take the black shadow out of the Thorn Shade palette, and we're going to smoke out the eyes, starting from the outer corner first, and we're going to work our way in toward the middle of the eye. Now, we do not want to just cover up the dark brown shadow. We want to actually blend those two together. Whatever I do on one eye, I'm going to do on the next eye. Next, I'm going in with this P. Louise matte paint. Okay, this is in the shade gray. I'm going to put that on my lid as a base. All right, to make the process a little bit smoother. I'm going to pat that in and shape it the way I want it to shape. Basically, I'm putting it on my lid. Once I get that on and all patted out nice and even, then I'll start adding the eyeshadow colors, okay? Today I'm using the Bear With Me eyeshadow palette. It is available on my website, okay? First, I'm going to go in with a light gray color, and I'm going to pat that all on top of the base, okay? Now, guys, the eye don't look so together right now. It don't look so tight, but you already know. If you've been watching my channel, it's going to come together. So I'm going to put this shadow all over the gray base. Then I'm going to go into this darker shadow right here, and I'm going to put it on the end to give the black something to fade into. Okay, and I actually really like that dark gray color. So we're going to put that next to the black and blend it in towards the front so everything can ombre together. Next, you're going to see me take the black again and blend it into the gray. Blending is key, guys, so everything can look nice and cohesive, okay? And that's the two colors that I use out of the Bear With Me palette. I know a lot of you guys have this palette as well out there, and we also have more in stock if you want to order it. Okay, look how pretty that eye look. Let's do the other eye. Now we're going to take the Maybelline Hyper Easy liner pen, and we're going to just line the eyes. Whenever you do your makeup, you could choose to do this. Is optional, but I love to do it because it just makes everything come together. I always say this part is like accessorizing the makeup look, okay? So now that our liner is on, all right, I'm going to take a small detail brush, and I'm going to go right back into that light gray shadow, and I'm going to open up the eye a little bit more because I found that it was a little bit closed off, and I really wanted my gray to show. Now, I have hooded eyes, so this part was super important, okay? So once you do your shadow, you look at it. You could go always go back in and perfect it to your liking. I'm going to take the Essence Stay and Play Gel Liner in the shade Black Raven and line the bottom of my eyes. We're going to clean up on aisle 7 with a makeup wipe to make sure no shadow is left behind underneath our eyes. And then we're going to get into FaceTime, okay? I'm going to do my face, and I'll be right back. Give me a second after I finish cleaning up on aisle 7, girl. All right, so now the face is done, and I'm coming back now to do the bottom of my eye, okay? So I'm going to take this dark brown gel pencil. It's the same Essence Stay and Play, but this one is in the shade but First Espresso. It's like a dark charcoal brown. After I do that, I'm going to take some eyeshadow and I'm going to put at the bottom some dark gray eyeshadow. We're going to smoke that out at the bottom. It's just going to make the smoke come to life, make everything look nice and cohesive, okay? I did the rest of my face and look how it's looking, girl. She's coming together, all right? Now let's get into this hair as a bonus. So this is a water wave unit from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description box if you guys want to get it. I'm wearing, I think, like 28 inches, but you could get yours short if you want. There's lots of inches available. I'm just going to take some Nairobi foam, put it on my hair, and you're going to see how beautiful this is going to look. Me personally, I like any kind of hair that's low maintenance, very, very quick. I love this particular unit, and I had it for a couple of years now because I could just wash it and it's going to bounce back and shake back real quick, okay? Now, it is a frontal unit, okay, but you can check to see if they have closures available if that's what you're into. Look how pretty that is, though. Really cute, really simple, all right? I'm going to do the other side with the Nairobi foam. The Nairobi foam does not make the hair hard at all, none whatsoever. The curls dry and it looks so pretty and fluffy, no kind of hardness at all. Let me know if you like Nairobi foam. It's one of the most popular mousses out there, okay? And I'm just talking to my TikTok followers as I do my hair. Make sure you guys follow me on TikTok. I am Kai Smith. It's the same name. You'll also see Kai the Makeup Educator. But if you type in I am Kai Smith, I'll pop up on your timeline on TikTok. So you can catch my TikTok live videos, okay? Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate you guys. And I'm going to see you soon, girl.